Hello everyone, take a section of your hair and then make two sections out of it and start rolling onto each other as shown in the video and then attach it to the ponytail. It's done. For next one, make a ponytail and then comb it nicely. Now make two sections out of it and then make one section each as shown in the video and then tie it with the rubber band. Now make two sections again and then pull it inside out and also attach it with the rubber band. Repeat the whole process until it will look like this as shown in the video and then pull it nicely and gently. Then take the remaining hair, pull it inside out, attach it, and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and then tie it. Now pull it inside out and then take another hair and then pull it inside out. Repeat the whole process as it will look like this. Now make it into a ponytail. Make two sections out of it. Now pull it inside out and then attach it on the top and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then take another rubber band. Now attach the rubber band into the ponytail into a section and then pull the hairs nicely and gently and repeat whole process as it will look like this and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one in the video, take a section of your hair and pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hairs and attach it with the rubber band and again pull it inside out as shown in the video. Make two braids and it's all done. For the next one, take a section of your hair and then comb it nicely, attach it with the rubber band. Now take another section of your hair, attach it as shown in the video. Now repeat the whole process until it will look like this. Now make a cute little ponytail, braid it and roll it and it's all done. For next one, take a section of your hair and then make three sections out of it. Now start braiding all three sections together and then take remaining hairs and take smaller sections out of the remaining hairs and start braiding it all together until it will look like this. Do it very nicely and gently with the help of your hands and be sure that it should be very tight. Now braid it till the bottom as it is shown in the video and then attach it with the rubber band as it will look like this. It's done. For this one, take two sections of your hairs and braid it nicely. Now start attaching your hairs with the help of a braid and taking the smaller section on the front side and start braiding your hairs nicely and gently with the help of your hand from the side as it will look like this. Now complete the process and attach it to the bottom. Repeat on another side, attach it all together and it's done. Thanks for watching.